setting down my last crescent roll triangle right here. Oh, this is gonna be so easy, you guys. You wanna grab yourself some string cheese, and we'll go ahead and place that just right there on the bottom of that crescent roll, just like so. Fits perfectly. I love doing this. I'm talking easy Super Bowl recipes here, you guys. Once you have your mozzarella stick in there, just go ahead, roll it up all the way nice and tight. It's okay if that cheese is sticking out. Trust me when I say this is going to be off the charts amazing, you guys. Super easy, only a few ingredients here. Anyone can whip this up. And of course, like I always like to do it, you can definitely customize it to your liking. So go ahead, move right along there and just roll up those bad boys right inside that crescent roll. Woo-wee, this is going to be a treat. All right, so we got those all rolled up. We are just going to move them right over here to our skillet. No, you don't have to use a skillet. You can use a baking dish if you want. I just really like using it whenever I can. So we're just kind of making this a little bit more fancier here. And let's just go like this. However you want to place them, they're gonna get fluffy and big and be delicious. So don't worry, we just want to leave a little space right there in the middle. Oh, this is looking so good. Once you have your crescent rolls there all figured out, grab yourself your favorite spinach artichoke dip. Yes, of course you can make your own, and if that's what you're gonna do, you can actually just put it right here in the center and then bake it in the oven. But I am not gonna make my own here. I am just gonna use my favorite kind, and then I'm gonna spread it right there out in the middle of all those delicious crescent rolls. You'll grab some Parmesan cheese if you have it on hand and just sprinkle it right there on top just to create a nice cheesy layer. This is gonna be so good when it cooks in the oven. And even if you wanna broil it for the last couple minutes, it'll get nice and crispy on top, which that is, we might just do that, huh? Should we do that, babe? What do you think?
Probably.
Yeah, probably, huh? Okay, so we're putting some Parmesan on there. Then you're gonna follow it up with a little bit of melted butter. Once again, this is not a have to, right? We're just kind of deluxing it up. So you don't really have to do the extra fancy stuff. You can still make it without, but I just think that it brings such good flavor. And brushing a little bit of butter over top of these crescent rolls just makes them a little bit more savory. It makes them gold and brown and just a little bit more delicious, if you ask me. And for a get together or for the Super Bowl or a fun game day, why not splurge, right? So let's butter these bad boys up. They are looking so good. I just cannot wait to try some. So I'm gonna add some garlic and lightly sprinkle that right on top of those crescent rolls as well. I think that the garlic pairs really good with that spinach dip and all of the cheese. We got some garlic, some butter, some spinach. Oof, yes, creamy goodness. Now just wait until those crescent rolls bake with the cheese in the middle. They're gonna get fluffy, golden brown. The cheese is gonna be gooey. The spinach dip is going to be bomb. So I'm gonna pop them in the oven. They're gonna take about 20 minutes and stick around. I think you're really gonna love this one. Holy cow, do I even need to say anything? Look at how absolutely beautiful that looks. I even just love putting this on display. Oh yeah, so I did let it cool down a little bit, but of course it's an iron skillet, so it does stay hot longer. That is kind of a benefit to having it out as an appetizer sometimes. You just wanna make sure that people are careful. Okay, so I can see that the crescent rolls actually did pull away from the pan. So this is a very easy thing to pick apart, but just to be sure, I'm just gonna kind of cut around it just like so. I don't wanna get too much up at the same time. So if you wanna be sure that it's easy to rip out, you can always take a little knife and just bring it around those crescent rolls. Oh yeah, so I'm just gonna grab this right in here. Oh, it's nice and warm and cheesy. Look at that cheese is already coming up from that mozzarella stick. Holy cow, it already has some of the spinach dip right on it. Oh, look at that cheesy goodness. It is just, what do you call that? It's just like doing the cheese dance. Is there, look at that. Oh my God, and it's kind of hot. So let's see, I'm gonna pour some of that, I'm gonna get some of that out. So now I have like this roll and this, and now I'm gonna dip it in the spinach dip. I'm gonna get messy with it. It's okay. Only David and I are eating this right now, if you're concerned on the amount of mess that I'm making. Sometimes you should make a mess because it's fun. Just like kids have fun, we need to remember how to have fun. All right, I'm going in for it. I mean, the dough is so doughy. The cheese is so cheesy. The spinach dip's delicious. By the time I stop eating it, I'm gonna eat the rest of this right here. This whole entire piece of string cheese is going in my belly. All right, you guys, I have no shame in the game here. Of course, there are probably a lot neater ways to eat this, but it is what it is. And sometimes this is what it is. I hope you guys love this easy recipe. Let me know if there's anything that you're gonna change up. Maybe you have something that you make for the Super Bowl that you absolutely love, and I would love to hear about it. We'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoy.